Hello, the date is March 10th, 2016. My name is Alex Arndt.
I'm Tyler Raymond.
We're making this video today to explain the design of our Tempest app. We will show how you use it and also how the code works. Our goal was to make a web app helping to show the territorial expansion of the USA during its early existence, using three geospatial forms of data. We use polygon data to show the land acquisitions, polylines to show major westward trails, and point data to show the location of the center of population of the U.S. during each census year.
So we're now going to show you our code. First going to show you, so this is our Python code, shows our some of our interface formatting here. We set the title. Here we set the location of our icon. We put Abraham Lincoln, as you can see here, which is referenced in the icons folder. We set the color to blue right here. And then we added our controllers. These are going to take you to a specific URL when you click on home or when you click on USA territorial expansion. Those controllers are right here. There's our base HTML file. This is the HTML file that's going to be referenced in both the home page and also the map page. And here is our actual home page. We have different HTML code here that's formatting it, doing title, and description. We have a link to a website that talks about Manifest Destiny. We also have an image that we added. That image is from this website right here. And then we also included a second link to our map. That link is titled Go To Map.
Okay, now we're going to get into the real meat of the code on our map page here. This is where we're going to build our map. Up here we reference to a website that contains that map, and we define a style or the dimensions that the map space will take up. Right here we created a title which appears up at the top of our map right here, you can see. And we chose a space to reserve for the map to take up. Also, we up here define the pop-up bubble, which we will create a function for later on. Right here we created a HTML drop-down list that allowed the user to select different territories that were gained at different times of the history of the USA, and this allows for some dynamic ability in our website. Right here is the JavaScript portion of our page. We declare the projection for our map, and also the base map right here is the raster layer. Right here we create layers for some of the KML files, which we created originally in ArcMap. We created it for several different territories, as we'll explain later. Here you can see a few examples like California and the United States. We had several different of these, each representing a different territory. We also had a data set representing the major westward trails, which was a polyline file, And then we have this population data set, which is point data set that showed the center of population over time throughout the U.S. Oh, there's our trail data set. Okay, down here is our function, which selects territories, and here is the layers that are called into our map. So our set territory function is the function that correlates to the drop-down list we created earlier. This function moves through and chooses to display the layer that is selected in the drop-down box and make all the other layers not visible. Down here we have the function which allows us to create the pop-out bubble, which displays the information contained in the layer about the historical importance and the date of acquisition of the territory into the U.S.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and show you one of our KML files. All of our KML files are located in this folder right here. So we're going to go into the California KML file. This is a polygon file. So our code, when you click on an area of the US, the pop-up code that we have calls this tag right here, this description tag. And then that goes to the KML file that we've selected, and it uses the formatting on this website to format the information that's going to show up in that pop-up. And then we had to go through each one of these KML files and delete out information that we didn't want to show up in that pop-up. So now we're going to show you our website. So we first get to the website. This is the home page. You click on this link right here. It takes you to a website that shows you more about the concept of manifest destiny. And then there's two ways to get to our map. You can either click right here, or you can click on Go to Map. We're going to go ahead and go there now. You can see all of the different territories that the United States gained over the years as it expanded. You can also see the center of population, how that changed based on each census year. So the most recent point is down here in southern Missouri. You can also see the westward bound trails. And all these things you can click on. We made our code pretty robust. So this is the Oregon Trail. You click over here. You see California and Southwest. When we gain that, the year, you can also click this historical reference. You can click on that to go and learn more. And something that we made it do, our mouse pointer here, so if you aren't on one of our KML files, the mouse will just appear normal. Once you go over something that can be clicked on, it turns into a hand. And then we also included a drop-down menu right here where you can go and just select a single data set. So if I select Louisiana Purchase, only Louisiana Purchase shows up. And select center of population. You just see the center of population based on census year. I can click on these and see the year. So, yeah, that's our code. Thanks for watching.